down, all around. Down, all around. Hey, you want to dance with me? Sorry to disappoint you, but this video is not about dancing. But it is about some special words. Up, down, around. These words on their own are understood by most English learners. Put together with other words, however, and they bring out special meanings. In this video, we're going to look at some using each of these three words. Up. Get up. Used to tell someone to get out of bed. Example: son, time to get up and go to school. Set up means to put things in place to get ready for an activity. Example: we need to set up the chairs before the meeting starts. Cheer up. Used to help someone feel better after something bad has happened. Example: cheer up. Tomorrow will be sunny, so we can go out. Perk up means to suddenly pay attention after hearing or seeing something. Example: the dogs perked up after hearing the doorbell. Read up means to get more familiar with a topic by reading about it. Example: you had better read up about the candidates before you vote. Play up means to make something seem more exciting or dramatic than it actually is. Example: the media played up the riots to seem bigger than they actually were. Down. Get down means to go from a higher place to a lower place. Example: please get down from the table right now. Set down means to put something on the floor or the ground. Example: I'm giving you 3 seconds to set down the gun. Calm down. Used to help someone feel better after an emotional situation. Example: calm down, it was only a bad dream. Cool down means that something or someone is slowly decreasing in temperature. Example: after exercising, take some time to cool down before sitting. Write down means to physically note things on paper or other surface using a writing instrument. Example: write down your ideas and be prepared to share them in class tomorrow. Run down means to give someone a summary of something that has happened. Example: give me a rundown on the election results in each state. Around. Get around means to be able to go from one place to another. Example: it is hard to get around in the US without having a car. Set around means to place things around something on all sides. Example: the chairs were set around the table in preparation for the meeting. Play around. Mess around. Fool around. these three phrases are about the same meaning, and it is to do something without purpose, a waste of time. Example, I told you not to mess around during study time. Ask around means to ask more than one person about something in order to get a more accurate answer or to satisfy a need. Example, I'll ask around and see if anyone has time on that day. This video should give you some good new phrases to use in conversation. Did you learn something new in this video? Was it helpful? Please give the video a like and let me know how it helped. If you have questions about other English topics, please let me know. Until next time, up, down, all around.